Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, check it out. Today we're going to be out in the garden. We're going to look at these peas, okay? We're going to be harvesting peas. We're going to harvest sugar snap peas and snow peas. I've been gone for a week, and when I came home, they looked like this. So that's awesome. So we're going to take these and we're going to bring them in and let you see what we got for a harvest. That's what's coming up next. We're going to take a quick just peek through the garden real quick. We got our quad grow towers. Left and right, we've got greens and lettuces growing, and front and back, we've got beans, and the beans are doing awesome. Great stuff. We're going to see more of those beans and more beans going in those things soon. I really like the beans in there. These are our sugar snap peas. They're a little green on the bottom. That's okay. That's what they normally do. And all the beans are up on top. And there's a lot of them. Peas, I should say. All the peas are up on top. Lots and lots of peas here. You can tell they're growing up great. And we've got 2 rows of them. You know, what you notice is the containers might be full of peas. I think we planted 8 peas in each one, but there's lots of space up in the air, up in the trellising, right? So we'll probably plant them twice as dense in this area next season. We'll do 2 containers. Right now, it's one board width wide, so we'll make it 2 board widths wide. And we'll go up the trellising, and that'll really take advantage of that space. So we'll have twice as much as the harvest in the fall, hopefully. Our cabbages here are growing great, but I bet the cabbage moths are growing great too because they're chewing through these leaves. I don't know what to do. I'm thinking maybe neem oil. If you've got a solution, let me know in the comments. These cabbages, the big cabbages, are just getting feasted on, as you can tell. The smaller ones are coming up and coming. That's cool. We may move these. They're starting to get a little bit of the moth damage as well. But the smaller ones, we're going to harvest those at a younger stage. So we're going to try and harvest them all summer, not let them necessarily grow to a head, but harvest them when the leaves get to a good size. Maybe just a little bigger than that. We'll start harvesting when they're about the size of a palm. I'll start harvesting the outer leaves and the plant will just keep growing. We've been doing it inside and that has been working out awesome. All right, on our mini grow towers, we've got greens up top, doing awesome, and we put 3 radishes in each one of these containers, and they're growing just fine. So then we'll be harvesting those probably in about 2 weeks, maybe 2.5, 3 weeks, something like that. And we've got some volunteer mushrooms growing in some of our unused pots as well, so I figured I'd show you that. Our carrots are big, our carrots are bushy. We gotta thin these bad boys out, and we'll take a little mini harvest on some mini carrots soon. Potatoes are booming, they're banging, baby. So always great harvest through these grow bags with the potatoes. They're looking good. We're gonna be harvesting those probably in less than a month, maybe 3 weeks. These will die back, they'll turn brown, and then all that power will go to the tubers so that they grow. Our hydroponic lettuces are kicking some butt. I love these things. Gonna see more of that in the future. We're gonna fill this whole table up. But right now we've got about 4 of the downspouts running. It's set it and forget it for the hydroponics. I love the hydroponics, works great. These are our snow peas. They didn't do so hot. So there's 3 rows. The front and the last row didn't do so hot. A lot of dead plants. The middle row did better, about twice as tall. Lots of beans up or peas up top for the middle row, but the other 2 rows just didn't make it. So not sure what happened. They should have the same soil. They should have gotten the same sun, same amount of water. So who really knows? I really am up in arms on this one. I don't understand the difference. But middle row did great. Not so much on the outer rows. Not sure if I'll run these again. I do like the taste of the sugar snap peas a little better. There's our red cabbages. We got those away from the other cabbages to kind of try and save them from the moss. And those are our bush beans on a grow ladder, which I love the grow ladders. Fruit trees are booming. So we got pears. Pears are coming along very, very nice. I got some fruit trees here. We're on year 2. They don't produce fruit the first year. So this is year 2 on these trees. Lots of pears growing on this one. And we're gonna move over here. Should be peach tree coming up. Yep, there's our peaches. They're just starting to turn color. We'll show you a few better ones here in a minute. Look at these guys. Nice little grouping up top. We'll get some peaches off of this, and then next year, year 3 is where they really start producing even more. But yeah, so lots of peaches here, doing good. Yeah, look at these. Lots of peaches all over these guys. And the side that faces the sun is gonna turn the best color. There's some peach going on right there, baby. Nice and fuzzy. That looks good. Wanna eat them. All right, so back to the peas now. So this is what we got for our snow peas. About a bowl full. It's okay. We could have gotten more. Should be a lot more in there, but the other 2 rows just didn't do well. So we'll see if we run those again next year or not. I'm not sure. But definitely like the snow peas. I mean the sugar snap peas. So the sugar snap peas, man, we'll fill that bowl up. So those are coming up here. And yeah. The full bowl full of sugar snap peas, and these taste good. I like the taste of these a little better, a little sweeter than the snow peas. But yeah, these are good on salads. These are good in soups. These are good stir fries. Lots of good and good just munching, you know, and just as a snack. So I eat a lot of these just when I'm out gardening. I'm sure everyone usually does. And so, but yeah, big full bowl of them. I think next year we'll probably have 2 bowls because I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna double up the production on those. But yeah, real pleased. But overall, real pleased with the harvest. Real pleased with everything that's going on with the garden, except for the cabbage moss, man. So if you've got anything on the moss, let me know. Let me know what to do. Put something in the comments. But yeah, 2 big bags full of peas. Digging the peas, that's what we got. So, hey, thanks for following along, guys. That's what we got. Tons more content coming and coming soon. I've been out for a week, so I got to play catch up. But thanks for being here. This is Troy Time. I'm out.